train going from Chiang Mai to Bangkok. This train, we're going to have our own cabin, which I'll show you in a second, and it only costs £39, which is about the same price that a flight would have cost, but we wanted the experience. We're right at the front of the train, so we've got a bit of a walk. This is our train. We're going to get on. We've got toilets here. It's a Western toilet, which is good. And there's another one here, which is currently being used. And then all of these are private rooms. And then this one here is our room. Then you've got a sink. You put your stuff here. It's got aircon. You've got a place here where you can charge your phone, whatever you need. Curtain for privacy.
Just in case one of your eye poked out.
It's 5 o'clock and the train's just left. They leave bang on 5 PM.
That is beautiful. See that temple?
Someone's just knocked on my door and said restaurant, so I'm gonna go and have a little look. This is the restaurant. Inside the car. This is cool. It's the menu. Where's that? Oh yeah, it's music. This is what we've just ordered. We've got teriyaki chicken, watermelon, rice with a fried egg, spring rolls, and a soup.
What's this? Seaweed?
Soup.
Go on. That's what it is.
Mmm.
Not sure about this fish. Right.
Yeah.
No.
That's quite good. Just made our room up.
Train shower. Washing my dirty fucking mitts. Oh! Oh, fucking.
Oh, Jim, no problem.
Yeah.